What is her life like now?
We're in Bekaa Valley. So this is Stuart Hospital, private hospital that's contracted by UNHCR to help assist with emergent cases.
Laren Mata is a registered nurse and the medical coordinator for Salam. She works around the clock with organizations like UNHCR and the local hospitals to coordinate emergency care and to raise funding where there are gaps. Laren's been called to the hospital today to help a baby who's just had surgery, but is unable to leave due to the mounting debt that remains. Unfortunately, this case is just one of many stories where families are separated from their children until someone steps in.
There, that's baby Ali. So he had a VP shunt put in his brain just this morning by Dr. Ibrahim, who we just saw, to help with the swelling of the fluids in his brain.
To understand the issues in Lebanon, we must first understand the crisis as a whole.
Overseas now to Europe's refugee crisis.
Thousands of migrants have streamed into Europe.
Hundreds of thousands of asylum seekers are risking everything.
Total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States.
We now have tuberculosis because of the refugees.
Continents have been endangered by open border refugee policy.
We want Sweden to stay Swedish.
The sun has risen on an independent, united kingdom.
The war in Syria has been waging for over 6 years, displacing thousands of people who are stuck between rebel fighters, the people's opposition, and the regime. What that means for Lebanon's Bekaa Valley, which is just 2 miles away from the Syrian border, is that the region has now taken on the most refugees of any other country, which currently exceeds 1 million. Since the Lebanese economy was not prepared to take in so many people at once, things like food, sanitation, security, and of course healthcare have been left to small grassroots organizations like Salam to coordinate with intergovernmental actors in order to meet the needs of the refugees.
Yeah, so the last case that we just saw, the woman approached, she overheard us talking to the other cases and was wondering if we could help. She said she's very, very tired.